Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a Honda CRV. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and removing any engine covers. Loosen the serpentine belt via the tensioner and document belt routing. Test the alternator output with a multimeter before removal. Label electrical connectors and bolts as you go to simplify reassembly and prevent mistakes. Begin by rotating the tensioner with a breaker bar or serpentine tool and slip the belt off a pulley. Unplug the main power plug and the small regulator connector, then remove mounting bolts holding the alternator. Support the unit as the last bolt comes free to prevent drops. Inspect the pulley and bracket for wear and clean the mating surfaces before fitting the new alternator to ensure proper seating and alignment. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep the cabin smelling great while you wrench. It's a small lift during long jobs and it's affordable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the new alternator in position, hand thread bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten them to spec with a torque wrench. Reinstall the belt following your notes or a routing diagram and reapply proper tension. Reconnect electrical plugs and the negative battery terminal, then start the engine and check voltage at the battery. You should see around 8 to 14. 8 volts while idling. Listen for unusual noises and verify dashboard battery light stays off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.